he'll be discussing about our next example of division pteridophyta, and that will be ediantum. This is the image how ediantum looks like. It is widely distributed fern, very well known with some 200 species. It grows in a mild, moist and shady places. So to begin with the morphological features of ediantum, that is external features. This image shows us an external feature of ediantum. Your body is divisible into three regions as a stem. Firstly, roots, followed by stem, and we have leaves. Now here the stem is nothing but a rhizome. This part. Stem is nothing but a rhizome. This stem of ediantum is underground. So it is the reason that it is called as a rhizome. It does not grow deep in the soil. It will be like just beneath the soil surface. Its rhizome grows horizontally near the soil surface, and it has got some scaly appearance, scales present on this, and these scales are called as pilia. So these pilia scales will be covering the surface of the rhizome. And from below of the rhizome, what arises is the adventitious roots. So the roots are adventitious in nature, which are going to arise from the rhizome. Now speaking about the leaves, here we have the main axis. This is the main axis. This main axis is called as rachis. This rachi is black in color. It is shiny in appearance. Apart from this, it has got some minute hair-like structures present on the entire rachis. That's the reason this ediantum is more commonly called as maiden hair fern. Maiden hair fern is the most common name of ediantum, and the reason because of the appearance and the glossy nature followed by the presence of the hair-like structures on this main axis, that is rachi. Now this rachi is actually it is a bipinnately compound. Bipinnately compound leaves in the sense leaf having a feathery like appearance. We can make out here it has got a feathery like appearance. Leaflets are arranged on both the sides along a common axis. Now there is a division called as primary division of this pinnate leaf as well as the secondary division of the pinnate leaf. Primary division of this pinnate leaf is called as this part. This is a primary division. This is called as pinna. Primary division of a pinnate leaf. Pinnate is nothing but this feathery appearance. So the primary division is pinna, and the secondary division of this bipinnate leaf is pinnule. Pinnule is a secondary division. Pinna is the primary division. And these leaves are large, about 4 to 6 inches in length. And the first order is pinna, the second order will be pinnule. Main axis on which these leaflets are arranged, it is called as rachi. As we said, the characteristic is dark color, dark black in color, shiny, and presence of a hair-like structure. That's the reason more commonly called as maiden hair fern. Now speaking about the roots, as I told, roots are produced from the underside of the rhizomes. They are adventitious roots. So this was the external feature in case of ediantum. Thank you.